Welcome back to the class, dear children. We were looking at this beautiful chapter called gravitation, right? We're looking at this chapter called gravitation, right, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in this gravitation, we talked about so many things. We have discussed about all these things in the previous classes. I don't want to get into those things now. This is the second class on gravitation, and we are going to have so much discussion here. Okay. Now, dear children, whenever I write F is equal to G m1 into m2 divided by r square or d square, whatever it is, what is it, dear children? Isn't it a universal law of gravitation?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now from this, if you want to find the value of this G, value means rather than saying value of G, if I want to find the unit of G, unit of that G is called universal gravitational constant. No, everybody knows about this, no? So this capital G, whatever it is there, it is called as universal gravitational constant, right? UGC, right? Universal gravitational constant, right, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if I keep that G on that side only, G is equal to, does it become FD square divided by M1, M2? Does it become FD square divided by M1, M2? I'm sending this D square this side and M1, M2 this side. So it becomes FD square divided by M1 by M2, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, if you think about its unit, it's like F means it is Newton, and D means distance. Distance is like meter, and square is Newton meter square. Divided by M1 is mass means kg, and kg into kg is like kg square. Now, Newton meter square per kg square is the unit of G, right? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this can be written as Newton meter square per kg square also. No, kg to the power minus 2. Can I write it like this also?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now, dear children, this is universal gravitational constant. No, the value of that capital G is like 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So no need to remember this value. No need to remember at all. No need at all to remember this. But try to have idea about this. If you remember, well and good. But in the exam, to solve your numerical, this will be given to you. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now let us learn one question. Let us solve this. Find, write on this question. Find gravitational force between two bodies of mass, two bodies of mass, 2 into 10 to the power 4 kg and 10,000 kg. 10,000 kg separated by 100 kilometer. Separated by 100 kilometer. Okay, and in this value of G will be given to you. What is the value of G? G is like 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So like that, whenever this kind of questions are asked, no, gravitational force and all, this value of G is must to be given. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Clear, dear children? Yeah, all right. Please do this with all SI units and all. Please do it. Okay. Two bodies are given, no? One is like M1, another is like M2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the value of M1, dear children? M1 is like 2 into 10 to the power 4 kg. And how about M2? M2 is like, how much is that? 10,000 kg, no? So 10,000 kg. So 10,000 kg means, can I write it as 10 to the power 4 kg?
Yes, sir.
And distance between them is like 100 kilometer, no? So this 100 kilometer means how many meters it is? This is 100 into 10 to the power 3 meters, no? I mean 100 into 1000 meters, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So this D becomes 10 to the power 5 meters, no? Yes or no?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yeah. Now, what is the gravitational force formula? Fg means gravitational force. Okay. Fg, what is the formula? G m1 m2 divided by d square. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Then substitute as value and find it out. So Fg is like G value is given to you. No. What is the value of G? 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. So this is G into what is m1? M1 is like 2 into 10 to the power 4. No. M1 is 2 into 10 to the power 4 into what is M2? M2 is like a 10 to the power 4. No, again. So that is also 10 to the power 4 divided by d square means in meter we have to take it, that is like 10 to the power 5 all to the power 2, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then
Yes, sir.
then what will be the gravitational force? Look at this, you can find out the gravitational force. No, you can do 6.67 into 2, that becomes 2 sevens are 40, 1 is the carry, 2 6 are 12, 13, then 1 is the carry, 6 2 are 12, then 13, 13.34 into, it is like 10 to the power minus 11, and these two things become 10 to the power 8. So does it become totally 10 to the power minus 3, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just think about it. Just think about it and write the correct answer. And divided by 10 to the power 5, all to the power 2 means it becomes 10 to the power 10, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Don't think like it is 5 square and it becomes 25. Don't think like that. You know this formula, no? X to the power m all to the power n is equal to x to the power m into n, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So it becomes like that. Then after that, everybody understood this 10 to the power minus 3. No, let me explain you one more time. This is 10 to the power minus 11 it is. 10 to the power 4 and 10 to the power 4 is 10 to the power 8. Minus 11 plus 8 is like minus 3. I hope it is clear. Okay. So Fg is equal to what it becomes? It becomes 13.34 into 10 to the power minus 3. And if you send the 10 to the power 10 above, it becomes 10 to the power minus 10, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now Fg is equal to 13.34 into 10 to the power minus 13 Newton, no? Minus 13. Minus 3 and minus 10 means minus 13 only, no? If you add them. Yeah. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is how you are supposed to find gravitational force if any question is given to you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, fine. So shall I go to next section now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Let me see into next some other questions now. Now look at this, dear children. They have given one simple topic here. What is the importance of this universal law of gravitation? What is the importance of universal law of gravitation? NCRT is, I mean, sometimes they act a little crazy to explain all these simple topics. What is the importance of universal law of gravitation? They are mentioning like it binds us to Earth. What is this? It binds us to Earth. Do you want to, and you want to fly or you want to be binded to Earth?
Binded, sir.
Yeah, I mean, you want to fly. Whenever we feel like to fly, we can jump and we can go in a flight and all. Again, we want to come back to our home, our school, our restaurants, cinema theater and all, right? What is there in the sky? Are there any cinema theaters in the sky?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so it binds us to Earth. It explains movement of planets. It explains what is this a revolution of planets. It explains revolution of planets around Earth. Revolution of planets around Earth. Yes, gravitational force only explains that. No, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And a revolution of moon around revolution of moon around Earth, moon around planets. Yeah, correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I mean, what is a moon, dear children? What do you mean by moon? Moon is a satellite, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Natural satellite. Moon is a natural satellite. Okay, fine. Revolution of moon around planets. Okay. And fourth one is like this tides in sea. Whatever tides in sea are there, no? Tides in sea, that is also explained by gravitation. That's a little bit higher concept. When you go to higher classes, that those things will be explained to you. Okay, tides in sea is also because of gravitational force only. That is gravitational force due to moon. All right, dear children, understood what is, if they're asking in the exam, what is the importance of universal law of gravitation, you have to mention all these points. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I hope
Yes,
everybody
sir.
is aware of all these things. Planet means what? Planet means which goes around the sun, no? Celestial body. It is a celestial body which goes around. Celestial body which goes around. Which goes around sun. Correct? Now this is a planet. How many planets are there, dear children?
8.
8 are there. Okay. 9 were there. Now 8 are there. Moon means what? Moon means it is a celestial body. Rather than saying moon, we can say satellite, no? Rather than saying moon, what we should say? We should say satellite. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is a satellite, dear children? What is a satellite? A celestial body or just a body? Just say body. Don't say celestial body. Body which goes around planet. Which goes around planet. That is called a satellite. Now, how many types of satellites are there, dear children? 2 types of satellites are there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Which
sir.
are they?
Natural satellite
Natural
and
and
Yeah.
artificial.
One is
man-made.
like natural satellites. Another is
Man-made.
man-made or artificial satellites. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Artificial satellites. Now, natural satellites are called what? Moon. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And artificial satellites are like man-made. Can you give some example for artificial satellites?
Lacrosse.
Yes, I mean, Lacrosse is from India. Is it from India? INSAT? INSAT, have you heard about INSAT?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. PSLV. I mean, there are so many things. You can find them on internet. Okay, INSAT. I mean, all these are man-made. I mean, the institutions which are linked with the satellite making and all in India is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, and we have something called NASA also. I mean, it is American-based company, NASA. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So I mean,
Yes, sir.
these are not the satellite names. Okay, these prepare satellites, so you can get into InSat series, Aryabhatta series, and all. There are so many series of satellites, and in artificial satellites also there are so many types. And about this artificial satellite, where you will be learning more about this artificial satellite, in which class you will learn more? 11th class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all right. So let's get back to our topic now.
Okay.
Main topic, what we're discussing. Let us discuss that. So those things, I mean, it came, no, revolution of moon around planets and all. That's why I have explained these simple things to you. Shall I go to next section, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. Now look at this, dear children. This is very important now. So this value of G and all we calculated, no? So value of G came to be 9.8 meter per second square, no?
Yes, sir.
How it came? Do you have any idea? You accepted. As I told you, have expected. Do you have any idea how it came?
Force is equal G.
Yes.
Acceleration is equal to
Yeah.
Gm by r square.
Yes, good. Thank you. I mean, you are studying that. Thank you, Vaishali. So this is Earth, no? So we have Earth here. For example, we have got our Mother Earth. On Mother Earth, I have explained in the last class. Okay, Mother Earth is very important, and we have taken this body from Mother Earth and all. So this is like Earth. Earth will be having some mass, no? So what is the mass of Earth? Shall I call it as ME? ME means mass of Earth, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and this Earth is like having some center. This is like radius of Earth is also fixed, no? Or radius of Earth keeps changing, or it is fixed?
Fix it.
Fixed, sir.
Fixed. Okay, fine. Now on this, what you have done, dear children? On this, you have a placed one small body. one small body you have placed, and this body is having how much mass? Let me take the mass of this body is like m, small m. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what happens, dear children? This body will be attracted by Earth or not? Earth will be attracting this body or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So according to universal law of gravitation, according to universal law of gravitation, what is the force? That force is equal to, or you can call it as gravitational force also. The not gravitational force also, that is a gravitational force only. That force is equal to G me into m divided by r square. No, because compared to radius of this earth, it is like in thousands of kilometers. This body is having very small radius, no? So this is a center to center means here this distance can be considered, this total distance, whatever distance is there, no? This can be considered as r only, no?
Yes,
Hmm?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is like very small. 1,000 kilometer. I mean, do you see any? Have you seen any body with radius, big radius like 1 kilometer and all? No, right?
No, sir.
No, right? I mean, they are very small compared to this. So like that, from center to center, I can consider this distance to be what? R only, no? Capital R. That is radius of Earth only, no? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can just write here. What is R? R is like radius of Earth. We can write radius of Earth. Okay. Similarly, I can write ME means what? Mass of Earth. Mass of Earth. Just I mean, this M means what? M means mass of body. I can write all those things. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I can write all those things with this in between so that it is separated. Okay. Now it is understood. No. So now can I say one more thing? This body is there. No, it is having mass means it will be attracted by Earth downward with a force called mg, which we discussed like weight.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So now can I say this? I mean this Earth only here. Here Earth is there only. I mean here it is there. Just to keep the thing simple, I'm just writing here. Can I write F equal to mg? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this
Yes, sir.
equation, this equation and this equation on the LHS left hand side only F and F is there, no? So you can name them. So this one you can name it as in front of this only you can write this is equation number 1, and in front of this only you can write equation number 2. What you can say? You can say that LHS of equation number 1 is equal to LHS of equation number 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Similarly, therefore, you are going to say what? RHS of equation number 1 is equal to RHS of equation number 2. If LHS are equal, then RHS must be equal, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then after that, what I'm going to write here? I'm going to write GME into M divided by R square is equal to mg. Can I write like this? Then this M and M get cancelled, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the formula for this small g? It is like GME divided by R square, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now this G is there. Now what is this G? Tell me, dear children. What is the name of this G?
Universal gravitation constant.
Is it constant? Is it a constant? The value of G is constant, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And ME means what? ME means mass of Earth, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So is it fixed or it keeps changing every day?
It is fixed, sir.
It's fixed, no? Yes or no? Fixed or not? For example, 100 kg of rice, if I brought from shop, I will keep it in my home. Weight of Earth, or the sorry, not weight, mass of Earth, will it change? No, right? It remains same, no?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
how
sir.
about radius of Earth? Radius of Earth is also constant, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So if
sir.
all of these are constant, means this is also constant or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Now, is
Yes,
it
sir.
like you have to remember the value of G and value of ME and value of R? Do you have to remember them and roam around? No, right?
No,
Are
sir.
you getting my point? So no need to remember them. This will be given to you. So already G value is given to you. So what is the value of G? 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. It is given to you, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
So why
sir.
I am remembering this? Even I don't remember it. I am remembering it now because I am teaching this. Once I have finished doing this chapter, I will forget this. Again, when I'm teaching, I'll remember this. No need to remember this. Now, ME. ME means what? Mass of Earth. This is also no need to remember. Already this data will be given in the book also. And whenever you want to study, those things will be given to you. No need to worry at all. So here it is given. Look at this, children. So here is a celestial body Earth. Mass is, how much is the mass? Look at this.
5.98 into 10 to the power 24.
5.98. 5.98 into 10 to the power 24, no? 10 to the power 24 kg it is given. Mass of Earth is given. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And similarly, radius is also given, no? Radius, look at this. Earth's radius is also given. Look at this. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
What is the
Yes,
radius?
sir.
6.37?
6
into 10 raised.
into 10 to the
10
power
to the
6.
power 6 what? Meter, no?
Yes.
Yes,
Meter,
sir.
right? So those things are given to you.
Sir.
Now, if you want to substitute them, you know the formula for G. G is equal to what is there? GM divided by GME divided by R square means if you just substitute them, G is like 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into ME is like 5.98 into 10 to the power 24 and divided by R square means 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. If you do all this calculation, dear children, I'm not going to do all this. You are going to do it afterwards. So you are going to get 9.8, my dear children. How much you will get here? 9.8 you will get.
9.8.
Clear, dear children? Yeah, you are going to get 9.8. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes or no? So let's not waste
sir.
our time by doing that because that calculation will take us nowhere. So that is like 9.8 meter per second square and approximately we take it as 10 meter per second square for to make our calculations easy. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you want to do it, you can try. It is up to you. If you want to try, you can try this. You can do it afterwards, but not in this class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And afterwards, you must try at least with the calculator. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, all right. I can show you here only with the calculator, but I don't want to do that because calculator is not allowed up to 10 standard. No, so this value is like 10 meter per second square or 9.8 meter per second square. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, this is the acceleration due to gravity of what? Earth, no?
Earth.
Yes, or no? So now, if I want to find acceleration due to gravity of moon, if I want to find out this, what should be the formula? I will call that as GM. GM means what? GM is like acceleration due to gravity of
Screen
moon.
is not
Correct?
visible,
Screen is
sir.
not seen, sir.
Yes, 1 second. Just
Screen.
give me a minute so that I can share it. Now, are you able to see the screen, dear children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now the screen is visible and recording is also on. Okay. Okay. All right. Fine. So let me, Daneshwari, mg means that is a weight. No, I explained you in the previous classes, which you must have missed. Okay. So this mg means this is a weight. I mean, this is like the weight with this much force, it is getting downwards. Yes, Daneshwari, with mg it is
Yes,
coming down. Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine. So now if I want to find out the acceleration due to gravity of moon, GM means acceleration due to gravity of moon. What will be the formula? It becomes a GMM divided by RM square, no? Now you must be worrying, what is this? G means universal gravitational constant. MM means the mass of moon. RM means radius of moon. Is this understood, dear children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say? Yeah. Try to understand what I'm saying. Okay. So like that. For example, some other planet is there. So now for some other planet, now you want to find out acceleration due to gravity of acceleration due to gravity of Daneshwari. For example, Daneshwari is asking. So if I want to find out acceleration due to gravity of Daneshwari, what should I do? Tell me. So first of all, I will name it as GD, right? So what do you mean by GD? Tell me. Tell me, dear children. GD means what? Acceleration due to gravity of Daneshwari. Then what should I write here? G is anyway for everyone it is same. It is universal gravitational constant. Then I'm going to write MD. MD means what? Mass of Daneshwari. Then I'm going to write RD square. Now you must be thinking radius of Daneshwari. What is the radius of Daneshwari? Now she is not circular. You have to make her circular. Then you have to find the radius. Clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I mean, all these
Yes,
things
sir.
are no. So they, I mean, all celestial bodies they are round. No, all celestial bodies are they square or they are round? Which shape is there? They are having
Round, sir.
Round, sir.
round shape. No, so that's why this is made for radius and all. Okay, all right. So leave that. Forget that. Did you understand how to calculate the acceleration due to gravity for different bodies?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, when you calculated this acceleration due to gravity of moon, no, because moon is having smaller weight, I mean, smaller mass and smaller radius. Look at this. If you want this data, look at this. This is like Earth is having 10 to the power 24 kg. Moon is having only 10 to the power 22 kg. And radius is a little bit similar, but still smaller only. Look at this. This is 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 6, but it is 6.37 into it is. Okay, it is into is there. Don't forget this into. Into is there. They must have forgotten this. Okay, so that into is there. Now this is smaller. No, these two things are smaller, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes,
these are
sir.
smaller
Yes, sir.
means acceleration due to gravity will also be small. I mean, comparatively, when we calculated that, we found out that this is equal to 1 by 6 times of acceleration due to gravity on Earth. So that is like if you calculate this, it becomes 1 by 6 into nearly 9.8. No, so 9.8 means it comes to be 6 ones are 6 ones are, then 3 is a carry 6 6 are. So then afterwards we can leave that. So GM is almost like 1.6 meter per second square. Clear, dear children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yeah.
sir.
So it's like
Yes, sir.
now weight of our body is it same on moon and earth? Everywhere is it same? No, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Weight is different. Weight is different, but mass is same, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now, if any body is weighing 10 Newton on earth or 60 Newton on earth, what will be weight of that body on moon? That will be 1/6 of 60 means 10 Newton, no? It will be.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Look at this. For example, here is Earth, okay, dear children? Here is Earth, okay? Now, if you are keeping any body with mass m here, okay, mass is m. So, what will be the weight of this body? Here it will be attracting with, I mean, accelerating with GE. Weight of this body on Earth will be how much? It will be m into GE, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here moon is there. Now if you are keeping any body here, it is having mass m, it will be attracting with gm, no? So weight of the body on moon, how much it will become? It become mgm, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So now weight on moon means m you will keep, and gm means what? 1 by 6 into g. I told you, no? Gm means 1 by 6 into g, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? I told you here, no? Gm equal to 1 by 6 into g. I mean, you can prove this also. You can calculate and you can check. Okay?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yeah, all weights and all those things I have given you in the textbook. It is there. I will share the textbook also. You can put this G value, mm value, rm value, and you can calculate that. Okay, dear children,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
you can calculate. That
Yes, sir.
comes to be 1.6 meter per second square only. It comes like that. Now, if you do this, weight on moon is equal to, if I just bring this 1 by 6 this side, so it becomes mg, right? So mg means what? Weight on earth, right?
Yes, sir.
So weight on moon becomes what? 1 by 6 into weight on 1 by 6 into mg means what? Weight on earth is there, no? 1 by 6 times weight on earth it becomes, no? So weight of moon is equal to 1 by 6 times weight on moon, not weight of moon. Weight on moon is equal to 1 by 6 times weight on earth, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, are you getting my point? So on these questions can be framed for 1 mark or 2 mark. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to a question now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me ask you a question here. So mass of a car on earth is 1000 kg. 1000 kg. What is its mass on moon? What is its mass on moon? Tell me.
1000 kg only, sir.
1000 kg only, no? Yes or no? Mass do not change, no? Mass do not change. Wherever you go, mass do not change, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, mass of car on moon. Therefore, mass of car on moon is equal to what? 1000 kg, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I hope you got this. What I'm telling. Mass of car on moon is equal to 1000 kg. Clear? Shall I go to next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, let me take this. Mass of a boy on earth is 6 kg. Mass of a boy on earth is 6 kg. Find his weight on moon. Find
6
his
kg only,
weight
sir.
on moon. Okay. No, find his weight, I'm asking. Weight. You understand the meaning of weight, Jagannath?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so find his weight on moon. Now, one hint we have, no? So, first of all, mass of a boy on earth is 6 kg means, so what will be his weight on earth? W is like mg, right?
Yes, sir.
W is like mg, right? Mg means what? Mass into acceleration due to gravity of earth. So, it is like 6 kg into g is like 10, no? So, it becomes 60 Newton, no? What is the unit of weight, dear children? Unit of weight is Newton. Did I tell you that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yeah.
sir.
So weight of that boy on earth is like WE means weight of that boy on earth is 60 Newton. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, weight of that boy on the moon. What is the formula for this? This is like 1 by 6 into weight of the boy on earth. No, we proved this, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So it becomes 1 by 6 into weight on the earth means 60. It becomes 6 ones are 6 tens are. So it becomes 10 Newton, no? So weight of the boy on moon is going to be 10 Newton. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope this concept should become very clear in your mind now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
if weight on earth is like 600 Newton means on moon it will be 100 Newton. 1 by 6 into 600 means 100 Newton. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
If weight of a boy on moon is like x means weight of the same boy on earth will be 6x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I mean,
Yes,
on
sir.
earth
Yes, sir.
it is 6 times. For example, on the moon he is weighing 10 Newton means here he will weigh 60 Newton. There he is weighing 100 Newton means here on earth he will weigh how much? 600 Newton. There he is 1000 Newton means here will be 6000 Newton. There 10,000 Newton means here 60,000 Newton. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Okay. Shall I go
Yes,
to
sir.
next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this concept of weight is very, very clear to you. Okay, fine. So shall I go to next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me solve one more question, dear children. Mass of a planet is double the mass of Earth. And its radius is also double the radius of Earth. Find acceleration due to gravity of that planet. Acceleration due to gravity of that planet. Clear? Is it clear? Is this question clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I hope you should be able to do this question. Yeah, it doesn't work at the end. Find the acceleration due to gravity of that planet. All right, do this question. Try to do it. Let me. Do you want options, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So let me give you options. (10 meter per second square), 5 meter per second square, 2.5 meter per second square, 12 meter per second square. I solved these kind of problems, okay, for you guys. Now, should I solve or should I give you some time to solve?
Give time to solve, sir.
Sometime, sir.
Yeah. Please solve it. Chapter is getting interesting, no, day by day.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
These kind of questions won't be solved in schools, dear children. That is for sure. No. It's not like in which school I am there, I am not going to solve them. I am going to solve there in whichever school I am there. But in most of the schools, these kind of questions won't be there. You can compare if you want. Please solve this, okay? I'll be just having a look towards now. Okay, yes. I mean, just solve this. And just have a look. I mean, I will be making one entire PDF of this chapter. Every day I'll be sharing the same PDF so that you can have revision whenever you want. Should I share this whole document today also, dear children? Whole everything from starting onwards?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everything will come in only one PDF, no? By end of the chapter. So these things already we have studied so many things here. All right. So let me solve it now. Okay. You also keep solving and let me give you some hints. Now, when you consider this Earth, no? So what is the acceleration due to gravity of Earth, dear children? So GE is like formula for this is like GME divided by RE square, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this value is like 10 meter per second square, no? Approximately 9.8, but approximately is it like 10 meter per second square? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you consider the planet. Now this planet is there. Now this planet means mass of this planet is like MP. Is MP is double the mass of Earth? Can I write MP equal to 2 ME?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
radius of this planet is also 2 times of RE. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, what is the acceleration due to gravity of this planet, dear children? So this Gp is equal to, can I write Gmp divided by Re square? Sorry, Gmp divided by Rp square? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is already I have explained these things. Okay, so this acceleration due to gravity of this planet is equal to G into mp means what? 2me, no? Mp means 2me, right?
Yes, sir.
Divided by Rp means 2Re. Rp means 2Re, then it becomes whole square, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So afterwards, this Gp becomes, Gp is equal to, what is that? Gp is equal to G into 2mp, anyhow that is there. Okay. G into 2 2me it is there, and it becomes divided by 4Re square, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this becomes 2 ones and 2 twos. Can I write it as Gp as this Gp is equal to 1 by 2 into Gme divided by R square?
Sir.
So this
Yes, sir.
Gp is equal to 1 by 2 into Gme by R square means is it like 10? We know this, no? Gme by R square, we know this. This is our own thing, no? Or about our earth, we know this or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we know about this, dear children. So we know about this means we have to carry forward this thing. So this like, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, all right. So this is like Re square. So this is Gme divided by Re square is like 10 only, no? So I'm going to substitute that Gme by Re square it is. Okay, Re square means 10 only. Then it becomes 2 ones are 2 fives are. So that is like Gp is equal to 5 meter per second square. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the answer for this? 5 meter per second square. So here is the answer, my dear children. So 5 meter per second square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, so these kind of questions are common in NTSC and all. So you have to be practicing this, which will be giving you. Okay, shall I go to next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I mean, not next question. Try to understand what is the meaning of this acceleration due to gravity, dear children. For example, here we have Earth. Here we have Earth, okay, and here we have Moon. Okay, here is the Moon. Earth and Moon are there. Now, what happens, dear children? If a boy, for example, Rishikesh is standing here, if he is jumping above, definitely he will come back down. I mean, he jumped means will you come back, Rishikesh? Will you come back to the Earth or not? You'll come back. How will you come back? Maybe quickly will come back. But on moon, if you are jumping, no, Rishikesh, if you are jumping on moon, how will you come, you know? So here, I mean, he has reached here. So here acceleration due to gravity is like more, no? Here it is like 10 meter per second square. Okay. And here how much it is? 1.6, no? I mean, 1 by 6 times of 10 means how much it becomes? 6 ones are, 6 ones are, then 4, 1.6, no? I mean, with what acceleration will come back? 1.6 meter per second square will come back, no, Rishikesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So will come back with, I mean, will you come very fast or slow you will come back? Slowly will come back, no?
Yes, sir. Slowly I will come, sir.
So, yeah, if I mean, I'm making video of Rishikesh jumping on Earth and jumping on Moon. I mean, if I'm making continuously 2 minutes video, how he will look on Earth? He will look like this on Earth, like this quickly. But on Moon, he will look correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Have you seen on Moon? I mean, all these astronauts are moving very slowly. Have you seen those
Yes.
videos and all? They will be moving very slowly.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes.
Why? It is because of here acceleration due to gravity of Earth is more. Here acceleration due to gravity of Moon is less. Now think about this planet. This planet is having 5 meter per second square means how quickly on Earth it happens. No, half of that it happens. For example, now in this example I'm taking. Now for a boy, if he is jumping and he is coming back in a 10-second means on Earth if he is doing, on that planet how much he will take? He will take 20 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So here it is like 5 seconds and 5 seconds, that is like 10 seconds. Here it is like 10 seconds and 10 seconds, it is 20 seconds. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the feel of acceleration due to gravity. Feel of acceleration due to gravity, dear children. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So any kind of questions can be framed that you will get in an assignment. In assignment, you will get that as you got assignment questions on laws of motion and motion, no? So you will get assignment questions on gravitation also. In that, so many variety of questions will be there, and you can handle with that. And there will be one doubt clarifying session on that. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So did you get feel of this acceleration due to gravity? Basically, what I'm trying to tell here is that acceleration due to gravity of any body, it can be of any body, okay? Any body means GB, I'm calling it. That is equal to G is normal and M is like MB. MB is mass of that body, not that body. I mean, acceleration due to gravity on this body B, on Earth. Earth means E and moon means M, like that any body is there. Mass of that body you have to consider and radius of that body you have to consider, then you have to do the r square. Is this understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now weight of any body on this body B, that is equal to m into acceleration due to gravity of that body. Is this understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? We
Yes,
write
sir.
no weight of a body on earth. Weight of a body on earth means mass of the body and acceleration due to gravity of earth, we write no.
Yes, sir.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yeah. Now mass means it is constant throughout the universe. This mass is constant, but weight changes. Weight changes. Weight changes due to what? Changes due to value of g. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So weight is like mg, right? So in this weight equal to mg, the value of this m is like constant. I mean, it do not change. The value of this is constant, and this g is variable. No, it changes. That's why weight also changes. Clear?
Yes.
Now in NTSC, so many times it is asked weight changes. Weight changes due to. Weight changes due to first one. What is that? Due to mass, due to change in g, due to change in g, c, change in g, and all of the above. Which one is correct?
C.
C, right?
C.
Third one is correct, no? That the value of capital G do not change. So third one becomes correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I mean, this complete feel if you have about the subject starting from your 9th standard to 12th standard, it becomes very easy for you to crack all your NTSC, all national level competitions and all. So try to get feel from Kalpurksha classes. Is this clear, dear Sudha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all right. I'm going to share, I mean, I will be sharing the whole document, okay? The complete document I will be sharing. All right, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so this becomes, don't think like it is becoming big. I mean, every day, if I am keep on sending only one document, all the documents will be lost somewhere. So that's why I will be sending the whole document. So then try to adjust with that. I've seen this video also. Already this video is also seen by you. So how can you help us? You can help us by putting it as your status, sending it into groups and all, so that this
Yes,
kind
sir.
of knowledge
Will do,
reaches
sir.
everyone. You want this kind of knowledge to reach everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So everyone for 8th standard, you can recommend. Many of you will be knowing. Send our classroom ID. Okay, after this class, I am going to put here only our classroom ID and that link and all. So please send it to your 8th standard children also, so that we can make them very good. I mean, learners. We can make them very good for their future studies and all. All right, dear children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all right, dear children, it is reaching you. Gravitation chapter is it is going to reach you, and share this whatever this thing is there. No, this video is there. Share this with maximum number of people. I think it has reached you. Gravitation.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. All right, dear children. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.